Yo, what's up, my people? My name is Ajishe Dariben, as you all know, and today I want to share some very, very strategic secrets to all of us. Yes, 3 ways to become a multi-millionaire in Nigeria with no single capital. So get ready, stay tuned, and stay with me. Let's do this together.
Zombie apocalypse.
The first secret, the first way on how to be a multi-millionaire in Nigeria is car dealing in cars. You're wondering, but I don't have money to buy my first car to sell. Exactly, I understand. But believe me, there are a lot of car stands in your area. You can go and meet them, tell them you want to sell their cars for them. Take pictures of their best cars, share it with your friends, share it with a lot of people. They will buy. If you get one customer, give it a very short time for you to get multiple countless customers, and before you know, you have a lot of money to buy your own 10 sets of cars or 5 sets of cars. So that's trick number 1. So guys, the second one I am talking about is properties. You'll be wondering, what kind of properties? A friend of mine bought some property last year. Sorry, I can't find the document, but I'm just saying. A friend of mine bought some properties last year, and he didn't have the time to sell them. Just land. He invested his money on land, like about 16 plots of land in different locations. And what I had to do was help him market his property, and I got my own cut. So it's easy to go into properties because all you need to do is just find a place. Then the best option, another option is, if you have a web developer, you can invest. If you've probably sold your first property, the next thing you should be doing is develop a website or an application, which I have, ogrande.com.ng if you check, or just search Ogrande on Google Play. Then you download it all. You can sell anything there. You can be an agent. You can be anything. You get your cut of everything you sell on our platform. So invest on developing an app and solve that solution in that your particular location, wherever you are. So property is another thing. Finally, the third one, which I'm to tell you right now, is the best. I believe is the best, and that is what. Check your skill. What do you do? What can you do? People will be asking, well, I don't have money to start an event. That's it. I tell them, no, you don't need too much money to start an event. That's the truth. You don't need too much money to start an event. What you need to do is just get a good location, and that's it. Guess what? You're not paying. You mustn't pay for a location. There are public schools around you. There is not much money. You go there, speak with the principal or anybody. Hires you or the security, or make sure that you speak to any of the officials, and make sure you get a location. Fix a time, fix a day, arrange your event schedules, and you're good to go. Talk about what you do. Teach people, and give them a reason for them to come back. You understand? That is another biggest way of making money in Nigeria. Else, you're on your own. So that's the third one. And believe you me, I'm always here for you guys to drop different videos. So how do you think this video is helpful? Do you think it is useful? Because I just felt like, okay, I'm about going out, so I just feel like, let me just share with all of us so that we can all know the 3 major ways of becoming millionaires in Nigeria. It's extremely easy. So please, you guys, first of all, I want to plead with you. If you like this video and you enjoyed it, subscribe and click on the bell button down below, and do not forget to express your like feelings by clicking on the like button. And also, I want to think of it. Guess what? I have a gift for all of us. And what's the gift? In the description down below, there's a link. Click on it and check out what is in there for you. You will not believe it. So please, I am a very generous person, and I'm going to show you love. So feel free. I love you guys. Stay tuned, and if you have any new ideas you want to share with us on how you think we can make multi-millions in Nigeria, probably in less than 2 weeks, please do not hesitate to comment down below, so that we will all be aware of it. We will all grow together. Thank you so much, and I love you guys all.